Ever feel like your bedroom is missing that touch of luxury and comfort that it makes a true century? We are here to show you how to transform your space into something truly special. What you are about to see will forever change your approach to bedroom design. A stunning bedroom makeover begins with the bed. Think of a statement headboard that catch the eye, layered with soft, luxurious bedding. Imagine sinking into a mix of textured throw pillows at the end of a long day. Dream, dreamy. Its lighting sets the mood for your room. Imagine a chandelier or pendant lights casting a warm, inviting glow. Add beside lamps with soft, warm tone bulbs, and your bedroom becomes a cozy haven for relaxation. Colors can transform your bedroom's feel. Soft, natural tones like beige, ivory, and gray create a calm, expansive atmosphere. Add a splash of color with accents, pillows, artworks, or a chic area rug to give the room character without overwhelming. Now let's talk furniture and storage. Smart placement and multifunctional pieces are key. Consider an ottoman that doubles as storage or a sleek dresser that complements your room style. Keep surfaces clutter-free with stylish storage boxes and trays to make your special feel open and organized.